Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It's your favorite girl Lara Savage, and on this channel I make beginner friendly DIY sewing tutorials, gadget reviews, and other times I talk about my life as an entrepreneur. In this video, I'll be showing you how I made this amazing wrap pants. Now I'm going to be showing you two different measurements that you can use to achieve these two particular styles. So one is more revealing than the other. So I'm going to tell you guys what measurements you need to use to achieve these two. So now let's get our intro in and do what? Stitch up! So I've labeled my pieces with this paper tape so I can tell you guys what each piece actually is. This is the actual pants piece. So you're going to be needing 40 inches by 45 inches, two pieces. Now the 45 inches is the length of the pants you want. If you want it full length, you use 45 inches. If you want it midi length, short length, just measure how long you want it to be and that's what you should use. Now for the 40 inches, I got it by using my waist measurement, which is 27 inches. I added 4 inches for the crotch width and 9 inches for the ease. So if you want it to be really covered and palazzo style like I did this particular one, you're going to use an extra 13 inches to your waist measurement. So that's 13 inches plus 27, which gave me 40 for my own. So guys, for this striped one, I used 35 inches for the waist. So instead of having 40 inches, I removed 5 inches and had 35 inches. So that's why you see this particular one is actually more revealing. I mean, anyone that works for you actually use that measurement. Now we're moving to the strip for the thighs. Now this particular measurement is based on your own preference, but I'll advise you to use nothing less than 10 inches plus your waist measurement. So mine is actually 37 inches by 3 inches. So I basically added 10 inches to my waist measurement, which is actually 27. So that gives me 37 inches. So I cut out 4 pieces of 37 inches by 3 inches. Now why is 3 inches is because when I finally fold it, I want to have a 1-inch belt when I'm done. So guys, I'll explain when I'm pinning this, but right now, let's work on our pants. So guys, here's the pants. I folded it into 2. So the 40 inches, you're folding it into 2. You're going to place them together and then fold it. So you're going to have 20 inches on each side. So that's 1, 2, 3, 4 of 20 inches each. Now it's time to measure our crotch width and our crotch length. So now our crotch width, like I mentioned earlier, is 4 inches, and I'm also going to measure the crotch length at 12 inches. So basically, the 12 inches is gotten by measuring my crotch depth, which is usually your hip measurement divided by 4. So mine is 36 divided by 4, which gives me 9 inches. And I'm going to add 2 inches for ease and 1 inch for the double fold at the top. Once I'm done measuring, I'm going to make a curve and then cut it out using that shape. So once I'm done cutting, this is what I have. I'm sure I'm going to use this for something else. I'm a fan of not wasting any fabric at all. I'm going to use it for something for sure. So you're just going to basically open it up like this and it's going to look really weird. Now if you have a serger, just place it right sides facing each other. Sew it, then serge the edges. But I don't have a serger, so I'm going to show you guys how to French seam. So you're going to basically place your fabric wrong sides facing each other. So you're going to first sew on the right side. So here I'm pinning it, and once I'm done, I'm going to go to my machine, sew it down, and then flip it the other way around. That's after sewing, guys. Flip it the other way around and sew it again. So the first time I'm sewing it by 1/4 of an inch. Now this time I'm sewing it by about 1/2 an inch so that I won't have any raw edge poking out. With this, you have clean edges when you're done. So for this strip, you're going to basically fold it into 2, then use 1/2 an inch seam allowance to sew it. So you're basically going to fold it into 2 and sew it from the top to the bottom. You're going to leave only one of the short edges open. So guys, this is what the pants now look like. Now you see what I was talking about. You have clean edges, like there's no raw edge showing at all. I've sewn everything in and out and it looks so neat without even a serger. Now we're going to go to the top part. So you're going to just fold it in a double fold, sew it all around except the hem. So with this, you now have a front and a back pattern. Now this curved part is going to actually be your crotch depth. Everything looks different and weird now, I know, but you guys are going to get it in the end. So this is our long strip. I've gone ahead to sew it using the 1/2 inch allowance that I said I was going to use. Now because I've sewn this part, I can easily just push it in and use something else to just push it till I get to the top part and pull it out from there. So once you've turned it out, if you need to poke out the corners, use something to poke it out and let it, stay really well. So guys, once you've turned your strip to the right side, you're going to go to that raw edge and just put it in so you can have clean edges, just like I'm doing right here. Just put it in so you can have clean edges and go ahead to iron every single one of them. So there are 4 pieces, you're going to iron every single thing. Now this is not sponsored. This iron has helped me through my journey so far. It's an amazing mini iron. It's so small, like it's the size of my palm, guys. It's really small, but it's very, very effective. Now if you're looking for an amazing iron to use, this is definitely one you should get. I'm going to link it in the description box if you're interested in it. So guys, you see this clean finish again. I can't get over this clean finish. Like, this French seam method is just super amazing. So we're going to take our strip. Now remember the part where we put it in. We're going to place it at one of the 4 corners. We have 4 sides, which are 2 from both crotch sides. You're going to take one of them and place it on it. So you're going to place it just like I'm doing right here. Then sew it right on that edge. Then go to the other side and sew it right on that edge as well. So we're sewing it right on the edge because we don't want it to poke out or come out in any way. We want every seam to be clean. So to ease your process, you're going to go ahead to pin it, then sew it down. Then do the same thing for the remaining 3 parts, and then we're going to sew it down and come back and see the final result. Now before you guys see the final results, this is how you're going to wear it. You're going to take 2 of the strips, tie it to your back, then pull the other 2 strips from under. I know it looks weird, guys. Just pull the other strips from under and tie it to the front. So that's how you wear it. You can even also wear it from the back, tie it in the front, then take it back to the back and then you look super fabulous. Now this is more conservative because it's a palazzo style. Now this is the one that is less conservative. Now if you want to show some skin, if you want to show some legs, this is the measurement you should use. I mentioned it earlier in the video. Now anyone I wear, I feel comfortable in it. And yes, I'm also wearing the corset I made in my previous video, guys. You guys should check it out. It's an amazing trendy V-bottom corset, guys. This corset is super cool. I have the video of both the pattern and the making of this corset, so you guys should go check it out. It's amazing. It's actually very, very beginner friendly. I explained it really well, so you guys should please go check it out. It's a reversible corset, guys. Like, you can wear it 2 ways. So guys, this is all I have for you in this video. I always love giving you guys beginner friendly DIY tutorials that you guys can do. But before I leave, these pants can also be worn in different ways. Now I'm going to just be showing like clips of myself wearing it in different ways so you guys can enjoy the view. So yes, that's all I have for you guys in this video. I hope you guys enjoyed it. Please let me know your thoughts in the comment section. I would love to hear from you guys. Please subscribe, guys. A lot of you are watching my videos but you're not subscribed. Please, 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 it's going to help my algorithm, my analytics. Please help me on my journey towards achieving, the goal of reaching out to the world at large, because that is going to make me super fulfilled. Do have yourself a wonderful morning, noon, or night wherever you are. It's still your favorite content creator and fashion entrepreneur, Lara Savage, signing out.